preach Jesus Christ, glorify God in everything, and win as many souls to the kingdom of God as we possibly can. That includes going outside the four walls and into our community and into our world. We support our missionaries abroad on a monthly basis. We've never missed a payment to them. God has been faithful, and we're able to help them share the message of Christ around the world.
And you also do Bible distribution, correct?
We do Bible distribution. We handed all the SROs in our schools free law enforcement Bible with their name engraved on it because we care about our law enforcement and we care about our school.
But there's also more outreach, which you do as well. You guys have a craft fair too, right?
We have a craft fair, one coming up in November. We've already sold out our Victory Center, but we use the church. The fellowship hall is in 10 by 10 space. People come and do that. We also do shoe distribution. We've done 4 different elementary schools where every kid in school got a free pair of shoes. And you know, our mission is to reach out and outside the 4 walls and see people come into the kingdom of God.